How to open Starling bank account in UK. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can open up a Starling bank account in UK, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you'd like to open up a Starling bank account from the UK, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open your browser and go to starlingbank.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. And then when you go to the website, you'll find apply now option here where you can tap on any of these. So I will also tap the apply now option here. Now here you can see it will ask me what kind of bank account I would like to create, which could be a personal, business, or a sole trader account. I'm assuming you want to create a personal account, so I will select that as well, and then I will just tap the continue option here. Now if you are a new customer or an existing customer, of course we are a new customer, so we will tap the new customer option and then just tap the continue option again. Over here we have to simply make sure to enter only our first name, right? Not the last name, only the first name, and then tap the continue option. And from here you have to simply make sure to enter your phone number. Now if you don't have a phone number of your UK account, then you will not be able to create a UK bank account in this case. So make sure you have a phone number, tap the start your application, and it will take you to the page where you can enter all of the legal details. Could be your first name, your citizenship details, your legal document details. Once you enter that, your bank account will get successfully created. This way you can go ahead and then open Starling bank account in UK. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.